Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap your text into a cell. So, have you ever encountered in a situation where your cell length can be at a specific the cell length can be a specific number, but you have to show the value correctly or appropriately. It should display correctly, right? So how would you do that? So in order to show you the example, I'll just copy this data set here, okay, in a new sheet, and then what I'll do is that I'll resize the length. Now you know that your cell value here is not showing appropriately, although the value is Mazda RX4, but the cell or the text visible to you is only Mazda dash, right? For example, here in column M the value is Formula 1. In column A1, in cell A1 the value is car name, but you are unable to see it properly. Is there any way that we can wrap the text, or is there any way that we can do something so that we can see this entire text properly? Yes, there is. We can do that. And in order to make sure that the cell value appears correctly in a cell, what we need to do is that we need to select this entire data set first, then we'll go under home, then this wrap text. Once you click on this wrap text, you will see that the entire format of your data has changed. When I say format, this means this display, not the value format. I'm talking about the display format. Car, now you can see that the car appears to be on the first line, the name appears in the second line within a cell, right? But the format is distorted. For example, car appears from the top while MPG is at the bottom. The value for formula for FOR MUL is appearing from the top and A1 is getting on the bottom, right? So now again we need to make sure that our data is appearing properly and we can have a pleasant view of our data. So what we can do is that we have already used the wrap text to see our data properly in the cell. Now we can format it as I have shown you in our previous video. I will click on this middle alignment so that everything from this header can be in the middle, and our data is already in the middle. So now you can actually read this as Mazda RX4, while earlier we were not able to do that. We were only able to see Mazda dash. So that's how we use wrap text to make sure that our data appears to us appropriately in a cell. If you're confused or if you feel there is something that I'm missing while providing information about wrap text or something else in our previous video, do let us know in our comment box.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.